One beautiful morning, a little bird named Benny woke up in his nest. The sun was shining. The sky was blue. The trees were green. Benny looked around his nest and smiled. "This is my beautiful home," he said. Benny had built the nest by himself. He had collected small sticks, dry grass, and soft leaves. It took him many days to build it. He was very proud of his little home. Every morning, Benny flew around the forest. He looked for food. He sang with the other birds. Then he always returned to his nest before sunset. Benny loved his home. One afternoon, something strange happened. Benny looked at the sky. The blue sky was slowly becoming dark. The wind started to blow. The trees moved from side to side. Benny looked worried. "I think a storm is coming," he said. He quickly flew back to his nest. Soon, the rain began. Then the wind became stronger. The branches moved wildly.
Benny held tightly to his nest. "Please don't break," he said. But the wind was too strong. Suddenly, a large branch hit the nest. The nest broke. Some sticks fell to the ground. Benny flew away quickly. He waited for the storm to stop. After a while, the rain stopped. The wind became quiet. The sun came out again. Benny flew back to his tree. He looked at his nest. He was very sad. "Oh no, my nest is broken." Benny looked at the sticks on the ground. He wanted to fix his home. "I can fix it," he said. He picked up a small stick. He placed it on the nest. Then he picked up another stick. He tried to put it in place, but the nest was badly damaged. Benny tried again. He pushed the sticks. He pulled the grass. He moved the leaves. But nothing worked. Benny became tired. "I can't do it," he said. He sat quietly on a branch. Then he had an idea. "Maybe I need help." Benny looked around the forest. He saw 3 birds nearby. Their names were Mia, Coco, and Leo. "Friends, can you help me?" Mia looked at Benny. "What happened?" "My nest was broken by the storm," Benny said. Coco looked at the broken nest. "Oh, that's too bad," Leo said. "Don't worry, Benny. We can help you." Benny smiled. "Really?" "Yes," said Leo. "Let's work together." The 4 birds flew back to the tree. First, they looked for small sticks. Benny found 1. Mia found 2. Coco found some dry grass. Leo found soft leaves. They carried everything back to the tree. Benny placed the sticks carefully. Mia added the grass. Coco added the leaves. Leo helped arrange the branches. Slowly, the nest began to look better. Benny was excited. "It is working," the birds continued. They worked together. They helped each other. They did not complain. They did not give up. After some time, the nest was almost finished. Benny looked at it. "It looks beautiful." His friends smiled, but one side was still weak. The birds looked at each other. "We need more sticks," Mia said. So they flew into the forest again. They searched under the trees. They found strong but small branches. They carried them back. Then they worked together again. Benny pushed. Mia pulled. Coco placed the grass. Leo arranged the leaves. Finally, the nest was finished. Benny flew inside. He looked around. It was strong. It was warm. It was comfortable. Benny smiled. "Thank you, everyone." Mia said, "You're welcome." Coco smiled. "That's what friends are for." Leo added, "We are stronger when we work together." Benny thought about what happened. At first, he tried to fix the nest alone. He thought he could do everything himself. But he became tired. He could not solve the problem alone. When he asked for help, everything became easier. Benny learned an important lesson. Asking for help is not a weakness. Sometimes we need other people. Sometimes our friends need us. And sometimes working together is the best way to solve a problem. That evening, Benny sat in his new nest. The sun was going down. The sky became orange and gold. The forest was quiet again. Benny looked at his friends. He felt thankful. My nest is beautiful, he said, but it is even more special because my friends helped me build it. The birds smiled, then they flew together across the peaceful forest. Benny was happy. He had a new home, but more importantly, he had learned the value of friendship and teamwork. Moral lesson: Benny learned something important. We cannot always solve every problem alone. Sometimes we need help, and there is nothing wrong with asking for help. Helping others is also important. When we help each other, difficult things become easier. So, if you are learning English and you feel that it is difficult, don't give up. Ask questions, practice with friends, listen to English stories, learn one word at a time, and remember, you don't have to learn everything in one day. Small steps can create big results. Just like Benny and his friends built a strong nest together, you can build your English skills one step at a time. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep helping others, and most importantly, never give up. Thank you for listening to Level Up English with G. Subscribe, like, comment below where you from. See you in the next English story. Bye.